Welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. Today, we're learning together about essential geospatial operations in QGIS, specifically intersection, union, and symmetrical differences. These tools are fundamental for spatial analysis, helping you extract valuable insights from your datasets. So, let's get started. In this tutorial, we've loaded two shapefiles named map and sub_buildings, and you can see these layers displayed on the screen. Now, let's shift our focus to the intersection tool. This powerful function enables us to identify the common spatial elements between two layers. Think of it as a way to calculate the areas where datasets A and B overlap. To apply this tool in QGIS, head to the vector menu, select Geoprocessing Tools, and click on Intersection. In the new window, designate one layer as the input layer and the other as the overlay layer. In our case, we've selected map as the input layer and sub_buildings as the overlay layer. To calculate the intersection, simply click on the Run button. As evident, this tool efficiently extracts the intersection area between these two shapefiles. Now, let's move on to the Union tool. This operation combines the features of two layers into a new layer. It's like merging the unique aspects of both datasets. To employ the Union tool in QGIS, go to the vector menu, select Geoprocessing Tools, and click on Union. Choose the layers you wish to unite, in this case, layers map and sub-buildings. Then, click on the Run button and witness the birth of a new layer encapsulating the combined features of both datasets. This can be immensely beneficial for comprehensive spatial analysis. Moving on, we'll explore the Symmetrical Difference tool. This function helps us identify the areas where two layers differ, excluding the common elements. It's perfect for understanding the unique characteristics of each dataset. Let's see how to apply this tool in QGIS. To access the Symmetrical Difference tool, navigate to the vector menu, select Geoprocessing Tools, and click on Symmetrical Difference. Choose the layers you want to compare, in our example, layers map and sub-buildings, similar to previous tools. Click on the Run button and observe the creation of a new layer highlighting the exclusive features of each dataset. This tool is excellent for discerning the distinctions between spatial datasets. Now, here's a challenge for you. Apply the Eliminate Selected Polygons tool on the map and sub-building shapefiles, then share your observations in the comments below. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of essential geospatial operations in QGIS. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more geospatial content, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.